Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Khushi and you are watching me on Abhilip Sharat. So for today's look, I've created this purple glittery cut crease sort of a eye look with an ombre lip. So let's start with the look. I'm starting with my eye makeup first. So I'm just filling in my brows using a brown shade from the palette with an angled brush. I'm just gonna fill in the gaps between my brows with small gentle strokes. It is important to define your brows before you start any eye look. It just lifts your eye makeup. Repeating the same with my other brow as well. When I'm done with my brows, I'm going to clean it using a concealer. I'm using a flat shadow brush here. It just makes your brows look more neat and defined and makes your brows look more attractive as well. I'm just applying the same concealer on my eyelid as well. Next, I'm taking a purple violet sort of a shade from this palette and I'm just gonna place it on my crease, a little above my crease, using an angled brush. Firstly, I'm just gonna deposit the color above my crease. Next, I'm gonna blend it well. It looks a little messy right now, but we'll sort that out in a while. Now I'm taking a fluffy blending brush to blend it out well. Make sure there is no harsh lines or edges left behind. Blend it seamlessly and take time in blending. Next, I'm going to take a pink shade from this palette and I'm going to just apply it above the purple shade. And I'm going to blend it together. Blend the two shades together nicely. I'm going to take the same purple violet shade and apply it on the area where I've applied it before to intensify my crease a little bit more. It will just give a little more dimension and depth to my eyes. I'm just going to repeat the same process for some time until I'm happy with the intensity of the color. Make sure that you blend everything well. There should be no harsh edges left. I'm just going to cut the crease using a concealer. And I'm cleaning the side lines as well. Next, I'm going to take a glittery purple shade from the palette on a brush and apply it on the area where I've applied concealer, but it didn't give me the pigmentation I wanted, so I used my fingers instead. It is better to use your fingers when you're playing with glittery shades or shimmery shades. I'm just going to tap it, don't drag it or pull it. Next, I'm taking this dark pink shade from the palette and applying on the inner V of my eye. And I'm going to blend the two shades together using my fingers. And applying the same purple shade on my outer V as well. I'm making sure that I'm blending everything well. There should be no harsh lines or edges. And defining my outer V as well. Next, I'm taking this pastel pink shimmery shade from the palette and applying it in my inner 1/3 of the eye. To give my eyes a little more wider look. Next, I'm taking a pressed glitter from the palette. It is a purple violet sort of a pressed glitter. You don't need to apply any glitter glue because pressed glitters are generally sticky. I'm just going to apply it on the center where I've applied the purple shimmery shade. Next, I'm taking this very pretty pink shade and applying it on top of the two pink shades I've applied before. Next, I'm taking a white liner and I'm just applying it a little above my crease where I've cut the crease actually. It just gives a more attractive look. I'm using a kohl on my upper lash line and I'm smudging it with a angled brush here. You can also use a liner if you want to. I'm just going to repeat the same with my other eye and I'm just cleaning the excess fallouts. Okay, I've done my foundation, base, and applied some falsies off camera. Next, I'm going to take the same kohl on my waterline and taking the pink and the purple shade to smoke it out a little bit. I'm taking this champagne pink sort of a shade from the palette to highlight my brow bone and my inner corners as well. This is a closer look of the makeup. It looks nice. For lips, I'm going to first take a dark mauvey purple sort of a shade to line my lips. And then I'm going to take a lighter pink or a mauve sort of a shade and apply it on my lips to give it an ombre effect. It really goes nice with the look, and this completes the look. If you like how it turned out on me, then please let me know in the comments. Like, share, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe as well.